Good morning, everybody. Welcome to online class. Priyadarshini High School. I am Mrs. Asra, your social teacher. Children, I would just send you written work and class response. I'll be taking from your classwork and your behavior in the live class. Okay. So now I'm going to send you revision as well as project work. Okay. In revision, first we will learn the fill in the blanks. Okay. Live class, we all have learned this. Once I'll read. Yamuna is a tributary to river Krishna. Map showing distribution of mountain and forest is physical map. Ganga river stretches through Uttar Pradesh, Bihar in Bengal. Plants bring humus and deposits them on the flooded areas. Okay, these are 5 fill in the blanks. Okay, more are there. I'll read. You just have a look. Write down in your classworks. Next one is map makers prepare symbols appropriate on their needs to their needs. 2 halves of the year are called hemisphere. India is located in the northern hemisphere. Columbus was an Italian explorer. Plains are level lands with gentle slopes. 0 degrees latitude is equator. Okay. 2 halves, that is map makers prepare symbols appropriate to their needs, children. Okay. Then 0 degrees latitude is equator. Okay. Then the next one is we will learn the keywords. Already learnt in the live class. Map. What is a map? A diagrammatical representation of an area of the earth's surface showing physical features. Then what are latitudes? Latitudes, imaginary horizontal lines drawn across the globe. Then what are longitudes? The imaginary vertical lines drawn on the globe. Okay. So here I have given you latitudes, longitudes and map. Map क्या बोली थी मैं? Diaggrammatical representation of an area of the earth's surface. Just a diagrammatic representation रहता map. Okay. तो उसके ऊपर पूरे physical features भी रहते हैं. उसके बाद latitudes में horizontal lines on the globe and longitudes vertical lines on the globe. ठीक है. Then next we have equator. The imaginary latitudes running on the globe, dividing it into 2 equal parts. Okay, the imaginary latitude running on the globe. Latitude काई को बोल रहे children? It is an horizontal line. Okay, horizontal line है equator. बीच में है बोली मैं, which divides the globe into 2 halves. Okay, mountains. Mountains are very high and they have steep slopes with very little land on them. Okay. Then what are plains? A large area of flat land are called plains. Mountains are very high and they have steep slopes with very little land on them. And plains are a large area of flat land. Okay. और equator, imaginary latitude running on the latitude कहीं को बोल रहे हैं क्योंकि वो horizontal line है. ठीक है. Then we have plateaus. Plateaus are also lands but they have more flat land with some hills in between. Plateaus are also highlands. Okay, they are also highlands but they have more flat land with some hills in between. Okay, then cyclone. What is cyclone? Wind moving in a circular directions towards an area with low atmospheric pressure. जो एरिया में लो एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर है, मैंने आपको लाइव क्लास में एग्जाम्पल भी दिया था. जब तेज़ हवा चलती है तो आप बाहर निकल के देखो हवा कैसे राउंड राउंड सर्कुलेट होती है ना. तो सर्कुलर मोशन में, सर्कुलर डायरेक्शन में विंड घूमना, मूविंग द विंड. ओके. देन फ्लड्स, ओवरफ्लो ऑफ लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर बियॉन्ड नॉर्मल लिमिट्स. नॉर्मल लिमिट से ज़्यादा पानी बहना. ठीक है. अभी ये रिवीजन था. अभी प्रोजेक्ट वर्क देखो. प्रोजेक्ट वर्क में ड्रॉ द लैटिट्यूड्स एंड लॉन्गिट्यूड्स. मैंने लैटिट्यूड्स भी ड्रॉ करके दिखाया है, लॉन्गिट्यूड्स का भी पिक्चर डालें. जिसके पास रीडर्स नहीं है यहाँ से देख के आप लोग डाल सकते हैं. और एक है दैट इज़ you have to draw the Telangana map and mark 31 districts on it. You have to draw the map and mark the 31 districts in the map. Okay, children, here I have given you map, also Telangana map. If you don't have readers, see this map and mark 31 districts over here only. Okay, these two are your projects work. All have to do it neatly in your separate formative books.